And obviously with that oil warning light, we didn't take care of it, isn't it? We ignored that one until that's shot the block. That's what we call shot the block, because of lack of oil. Someone did ignore that warning light, and the fuel is just as full. Wow, with a knocking engine, this is going to be a useless one.